You guys, it's only been about 2 minutes and my hands are already feeling super soft. Like, this is a little crazy. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I would love for you to join the fam. Go ahead, take a look at the channel and hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell down below so you are notified every time your girl posts a new video. So as we all know, it is a new year, 2022, and I'm so excited for this one. But for many, it is also winter season, okay? AKA Ashy season. And because I care so much about you guys, I am here with another home remedy to get baby soft, smooth, touchable hands under 30 minutes, under $6, and to top that, you only need two things, you guys. So, if you want to see how to achieve incredibly soft hands, let's just jump into it now, shall we? Alright my loves, so the first thing you'll need are some moisturizing hand gloves. I got mine from Shein for about $4. You can also find them on Amazon. They may be a little pricier though. And the next thing you'll need is some petroleum jelly, aka Vaseline. This cost me about $2, but the prices vary depending on where you get it and the size. And those are the only two things you need. So going in with clean hands, I am applying very generous amounts of petroleum jelly to my hands. So as you can see, I'm going by sections, okay? You're gonna cover the front, your fingers, your knuckles, your cuticles, in between your fingers. Every area of your hand needs to be saturated with Vaseline, all right? That's the most important part here. So once you have one side of your hand covered, you're just gonna flip that over and make sure you apply it on your palm as well. Again, do not miss any crevice, any area. So yes, add layers if you need to. Of course, adjust it to how dry your hands are. About one thick layer on each side was fine for me. And as you can see, my hand is about ready for my glove. So this is kind of how your hand should look, a nice thick layer. As you can see, it is not time to be stingy with the Vaseline, y'all. Make sure you really get every area on your hands. So once that's done, you're going to just simply place your hand into the moisturizing glove. And then we're going to repeat the exact same process. Now I will say, once the glove is on, you know, it's a glove so you can still operate, but if you want to take like a clean makeup brush or a spatula or something, go ahead and use that to apply it. But I just used the glove. It was no big deal. Just make sure you have some paper towels around if you want to just remove the excess Vaseline. It gets a little messy, but it's nothing dramatic. You'll be fine. And if you've watched my previous video of getting soft hands overnight, you know that I am no stranger when it comes to Vaseline and gloves. But what sets this specific method apart is the moisturizing glove. The silicone material of the glove plus the petroleum jelly really intensifies the moisturizing process, and it's just a lot quicker. So if you don't have a long period of time to wait when using disposable gloves, I highly recommend using moisturizing gloves instead. 15 to 20 minutes is really all you need to feel the moisturizing benefits from this specific method. You guys, it's only been about 2 minutes and my hands are already feeling super soft. Like, this is a little crazy. As you can see, it will be a little messy. The Vaseline may drip down. You can wipe it off or get someone to help you. They are gloves, so you can do things around the house. Nothing, you know, too much, but it's possible. However, I would recommend this time for you to just sit down and relax, okay? And the best way I can describe how my hands feel underneath these gloves is that it feels really, really soft. It doesn't feel sweaty. I know this word comes off really weird, but it does feel moist. I know, I don't know why that's a weird word, but whatever. But yeah, my hands are about to be so soft, I cannot wait. And I'm gonna give you guys a little ASMR. I've never done this before, so, but this is how it sounds. I don't know, is that cringe? Alright, you guys, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just taking up the 20 minutes that I have. But yes, I'm gonna show you guys the end results in a little bit. Alright, so once it's time, you will kind of feel it. The gloves will feel slippery, as you can see. It's ready to come off. I left mine on for about 20 minutes, and you guys, wait till you see the results. Do you guys see this? My hands are glistening, okay? They felt so incredibly moisturized. Oh, I'm obsessed. But as you can see, there is a lot of excess petroleum jelly after this process. You will need a paper towel. I do not recommend washing your hands right after. It kind of defeats the purpose. So you just want to dab off any excess product and then just simply rub in the rest into your hands like you would lotion, and they should feel very, very soft. Now, as your day goes by, of course, you will wash your hands. You will continue on with your day. But right after this process, just remove the excess product, rub in the extra, as you can see, and look at the results, you guys. Super hydrated, extremely moisturized hands. Thank me later. Alright, you guys, that is it for today's video. Again, a new year, new soft hands, okay? Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with a friend. Save a friend. I know you guys really enjoy my content when it comes to making your hands feel really soft and touchable. So I created a playlist for you guys, which I will attach as a card and in the description box below for you guys to check out the many other options that I have for you as well. But that being said, that is it. That is all. Stay blessed. And with this being my first video for 2022, I just want to say, if you are watching this video right now, this will be your year, okay? Believe it, claim it, and you can achieve it. I pray that this is an amazing, amazing year. And of course, make sure you are subscribed and you hit that notification button below, because I cannot wait to go on this new journey with y'all. Okay, that's it.